And then they came out with the flip phone, which the flip phone was cool, because you could still hang up mad on somebody. You like, I'm sick of your shit too. You was thinking something, bitch, I'm tired of your mustache. I mean, you go somewhere, you fucking motherfucker. Book you back. I'm shut so stinking. Flip. Whew, I flip phone the shit out of them. Whew. Nowadays, they got these damn touch screen phones. You don't even know if you hung up on their ass or not. I mean, you in a heated ass argument, like, shut your stupid ass, shut your stinking, you stinking ass, your mama, you don't kiss my fat ass. Whoo, I touch screen the shit out that bitch. I'm still here.